Hi friends, now let us look at the last type of solutions what we get when we solve LPP by graphical method, that is getting us no solution when we are solving the LPP. So let us quickly look at the problem. Now here is the problem. Now let us quickly try to solve this problem here. Okay, now solution. Now, if we convert these inequalities constraints to equalities, and when we substitute x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0 and get the coordinates for equation 1, there are two equations. So for equation 1, the coordinates are 0, 1 and 1, 0. And for the second equation, it is 0, 3, and it is minus 1, 0. Now let us try to draw a graph here. Now this is x1. Now this is minus x1. This is x2, and this is minus x2. Now the first for the first equation, it is 1 and 1, and here it is 3 and minus 1. So x1 should be minus 1 here. So now let me take the units here, 1, 2, and 3. Similarly here 1, 2, and 3. Here it is minus 1, minus 2. Similarly here it is minus 1 and minus 2 on the x1 line. So for the first equation it is 1 and 1. So quickly let me draw a line here, 1 and 1. So I'll take the line from here. This is the line for the first equation, and the second equation here x2 is 3, and x1 is minus 1. So 3 and minus 1, we need to draw a line like this. So try and draw a line which goes through these points. Okay, I'm successful in drawing these lines. So this line is for the second equation. Now let us quickly look at the symbols here. Now for the first equation, it says that the feasible region lies below this equation, in the sense like this is the first equation line, and it says that the feasible region lies below this equation. Alright, now if we see the second equation, which is this line, it says that the feasible region lies above the equation. Now when we say above, it is somewhere here. Okay, so I'm sorry, it's not above. I mean, above is something. Okay, I'm sorry. It is. This is above this equation. Now, there are non-negativity constraints that says that the feasible region lies above this line and above this line, like this. So basically, according to the non-negativity constraints, the feasible region should lie somewhere in this quadrant, the second quadrant. But what the lines have to say is the common area. The first line says that the feasible region lies below this line. So it is somewhere here. And the second line says that it is above the line. So the area which is common to this is this area, but according to the non-negativity constraint, the feasible region should lie somewhere in this area. This area. Now this two line shows this area. Now that means that there is no common area for all the constraints. So in all the previous problems we had a common area which satisfies the constraints here and even the non-negativity constraint. But here in this problem there is no common area which satisfies all these equations. So hence we can say that there is no solution to this problem. There is no solution to this problem. Now this is an example of an LPP which has got no solution to the problem. Okay, so this is a typical example. Okay, so I think here is why we have tried to solve LPP by graphical methods, and we have seen different solutions what you'll arrive at. One is the unique solutions, which are the common solutions that we get. The second type of solutions is infinite number of solutions. The third type of solutions are unbounded solution, and the last type of solutions what you get, which you don't get any solution at all. So there is no solution. So anyway, these are the this is one of the solutions what we get. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.